Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are talking about the currencies which are basically and dependencies. Then basically what happened? That story basically I'm telling. This is basically real story. Here basically I can't take the name of the person basically. Assume that that is myself only basically. But in real basically nothing has happened. Now basically what happened? The Malayalis also basically told that let him die here basically. We are basically सबका ठेका लेके रखा है हमने. This was basically told in Hindi basically by Malayali Union basically. That was vice president of Malayali Samaj. In this, police also basically done nothing. पुलिस ऑल्सो टोल्ड भाई दैट अरे भाई वो मलयाली है भाई मलयाली लोग देखेंगे अपने को काय का बंकस करने का इन मुंबई स्टाइल बेसिकली टोल्ड टू दैट गुजराती बेसिकली because he basically was seeing literally basically he can't see the thing basically lots of blood basically was coming lots of blood basically then he told that basically यार महाराष्ट्रियन पीपल टोल्ड ये तो अभी भी साला मर नहीं रहा है ही इज नॉट स्टिल डाइंग this is happened in front of the Shiv Sena and Manase basically because they say basically that we are helping the people we are doing that we are basically shan of Marathis this all basically they say that in front of that basically this has happened they say that basically everywhere basically the number plate should be English sorry Marathi there's that group basically in front of them basically this has happened now basically what happened he was actually not dying then basically what he has done basically then basically he still basically kept his mind very cool basically he thought that basically everything should be peace basically because he was believing in peace he say that basically peace is everything peace means shanti is everything basically in this shanti basically his entire body basically was damaged and lots of blood basically also came from backside basically then basically that Maharashtrian person basically he was giving trouble basically he was giving literally torture to that body basically, until basically he will not die basically he has basically taken shapat basically that he will until basically he will not die basically we are going to give him trouble only then basically what he has done then basically somebody got some Bihari basically given him idea basically Bihari means lots of Biharis are basically are there basically he basically given him idea do one thing इसका है ना HIV AIDS लड़की से शादी करा दे then he told that HIV AIDS लड़की से he idea basically got from Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh उसकी HIV AIDS लड़की से शादी करा दे तो he will automatically will die nobody company is going to give him job nothing is going to happen then he told that yes yeah this idea is good basically but you have any girl basically then one of the Madhya Pradesh person basically and Bihari basically both basically stayed together long before basically they told that basically yes basically मेरे पास है ना रे बाबा मेरे पास है लड़की both basically were stayed together basically long before basically this story is basically of 2007 and they basically were together in 2003-4 basically then they told her basically let me basically I have basically girl here basically I have girl that Bihari actually told to Madhya Pradesh person basically I have one girl basically who is having AIDS and lots of people says that basically AIDS girls basically the girl basically who die without a marriage basically they basically their family basically gets in trouble in future basically so basically they also basically jumped into it that family basically they basically never thought basically one boy is going to die because AIDS happened after that basically AIDS happened basically boy will die now basically so his career will end after AIDS basically everything is finished now basically so they also not thought anything basically they basically was from very few rich family basically rich family means it's दादागिरी ना basically rich family की दादागिरी in Mumbai In Mumbai, basically rich family की दादागिरी है. Then he told that basically, okay, we will do one thing. We will do the marriage of that particular boy. This they have planned in basically 2003 basically for 2003 and 5 and 6 basically they have done the marriage. Still 4 years basically they have done the verification basically. Just see basically the literally plan basically done. Just to 3 4 years basically they have just plan basically. Plan was whether basically he is able to he is basically tracking anybody is tracking or not basically. That time basically lots of people are tracking him, but that time basically they don't know that satellite groups are also tracking him, tracking them basically when they were doing the plan. Then they basically literally planned that Bihari, Madhya Pradesh, and one more basically guy was over there. That was basically I think from uh, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra basically. These four people basically done the plan. In this basically one Malayali was also there basically. He actually was supposed to help him, but he also basically jumped into this basically. Then basically told that basically he basically marriage was done, and then basically he got AIDS basically. That Marathi basically person basically then also basically they told that basically अभी भी तो ये मर नहीं रहा है यार basically still he is not dying basically, he should die basically because he has taken शपथ basically, शपथ. Still basically is not dying here basically. Then basically he thought that basically the Maharashtrian basically thought that basically यार अगर इसको पता चल गया सब कुछ, if he basically know that this everything is basically done by one Maharashtrian basically Marathi people, then he basically might take some enemy basically in with Marathis basically. He'll take basically some enemy with Marathi basically. So in future basically we will finish his generation also basically. So he done basically Nasbandi also, that of that particular boy, with the help of Bihari basically. All Biharis are like that particular Bihari, that also basically need to verify basically. This is basically for universe basically. The universe group basically must verify each and every Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, each and everything basically you have to verify which kind of people basically they are. Like this, you have to verify entire India basically, which kind of people basically are staying in India. Because it might possible that energy will generate and then basically there in universe basically will problem happen. Then basically, but entire basically people are like this, that also basically need to check basically that everybody is like that only basically. Entire Maharashtrian basically Marathi are like this only, that need to check basically. That basically Manase and basically Shiv Sena basically might be doing the check basically. They will check basically which kind of people basically are there. Like this basically, that boy basically done the with his नसबंदी was also basically done. उसकी नसबंदी भी होगी. That boy basically got the information that something has basically done with his body basically, because he was very powerful. He was connected with the universe basically. His energy was connected up to universe. That feeling basically always happened basically, that something basically has happened in his body basically. Then basically what happened? Then after Nasbandi, that girl basically sent one divorce notice. Then basically he was shocked. Basically nothing has happened. Then basically why the divorce notice was sent basically? Why basically, how basically the divorce notice was sent? Then he told that basically how basically why the divorce notice was sent here basically. He was not able to recognize basically. But he don't know basically that this was actually planned done by few people. That was Maharashtrian people, Marathi people, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and one Malayali basically, that is Kerala. Entire Kerala is like this basically, that need to check basically. That need to check basically. Then basically they told that basically then basically he got divorced basically. After that basically he was not able to understand basically why he is not getting job basically, what happened. Few people says that basically why you are doing time pass. In next video we are going to see little bit about that time pass.